Hello, fellow Nigerians. I greet you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are, depending on your time. Please accept my greetings. I am here to speak to us with a broken heart. My name is Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. We are here with a message of the truth to share with Nigerian people. I want to first of all say thank you to those of you who have joined us on YouTube, those of you who have subscribed. Thank you very much for being part of our YouTube. God bless you. And for those of you who have not subscribed on our YouTube, please try subscribe to our YouTube today and be part of this program. And if you are not on our WhatsApp to contribute your own quota, please join our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp is the biggest platform ever in the whole world. Nigerian platform in the whole world, this is the biggest. We are calling on all Nigerians, uniting Nigerian people, building a fresh masses voice where we can stand to checkmate any government. We believe we can. We can make Nigeria great again. My brothers and sisters, I am here to share some truth with us, and this truth may offend some people, but I'm begging every one of us, don't be offended. This is the number to join our platform if you want to join our discussion. Plus 601 135 483 733. Again, plus 601 135 483 733. I am here to share this message with you, and my name is Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. My country people, I welcome you all. If you don't mind, I would like to go to our native English so that I can float with us and everyone can hear what I'm saying, because this message is very important and we need to hear it. I greet all Nigerian people. Nigerian people, I salute you now. I believe say with the reason. I believe say we be people where they think. The time don't reach, make we use our tongue, they count our teeth, make we get find answer. And they beg all Nigerian people say, make they see reason for which they talk now. Now, this message, now direct to Ndibo. Ndibo. Some of una character, they make me diverse. Some of una, they make mistake. We go even doom una own children, destroy lives. Ndibo, be careful. Now, this Biafra, what would they talk about? Now, true, say we all like them. We know the wrong commode will be Biafra, not true. But we believe, say, if person won't look for something, he get laws where they tell they look for that thing. He get pattern where they tell they look for that thing. And not to bring people to street and people are dying every day. It dey pain my heart when I see Igbo people, they die anyhow. For every little protest, Igbo people go die. Igbos, you know they touch on our mind. They create Igbo, create death. This thing is something we be say, it fall inside water. Our fathers make parable say, waiting fall inside water, now leg they take the final. My brothers and sisters, time don't reach where we go use leg, they find waiting fall inside water. Now the truth that they tell you now. Make we try, use leg, they find this thing way fall inside water and follow them step by step. Me, I dey ask some people. I say this Biafra of a thing. Because if small pikin no know wetin kill him papa, wetin kill him papa go kill him. Ojukwu don't fight for this Biafra. Now true, he no finish am. But me, I believe, say, after the fight, waiting be the agreement where Ndibo enter with Nigeria again, where the country become one. I don't know if not the reason. Waiting bring us together again to become one, where we country the bear Nigeria all these years. Ojukwu return back. They give him a property. He accept them as a Nigeria. Why? When Ojukwu die, now Nigeria don't bury him. Why? Okay, that one don't do. Uwazurike come stand up, say, he need this same Biafra. When Wazirike started, everything where Igbo man dey plan, na so violent. Igbo, make we go school now. We no get wetin they call due process. Must everything be hot temper, anger, insult? Now, must we insult each other? Or Wazirike carry the thing? Gidi gada. People die. Okay, that death no ritual. Ndi Igbo that time. Jege, it go happen, it no go happen. Finally, it cool down. Nnamdi Kanu rise up. Now, to show you, say, division no fit stand. When you dey look for something, when you dey look for a particular thing, and now don't divide against yourself, it no go fit happen. It no go come true. Make I tell you the truth. A house where don't divide against itself, they go surely fall. Now the truth be that. Okay, Nnamdi Kanu don't stand up, say he won't do this thing. He don't they do am, they crowd, they follow him. My brothers and sisters, una no go believe, but now the truth that they tell you now. Now pride make Nnamdi Kanu fail. Pride, ego. Because he get wetin be say person go won't do, he go think am twice. Nnamdi Kanu say, if he come, if he get Biafra, he go kill Wazirike. He go kill Igbo leaders, my brothers and sisters. Those Igbo leaders, now people wey senior papa. Now people will be elders of the land. Nnamdi Kanu say, all of them, he go kill them. Say why? Because they eat with government. They don't take bribe. The youth carry them like that. Yes, they don't take bribe. That means they punish us. Our youth, make una they think now. Why we they easily brainwashed our youth? Why we know they think? Okay, that one don't go. Now, Nnamdi Kanu focus on Biafra. If they make impact, where Nnamdi Kanu from make mistake again, he can't go miss religion, go join for Biafra where they look for. Nnamdi Kanu condemn Jesus Christ. Nnamdi Kanu say no, Jesus Christ now white man God. Nnamdi Kanu scatter that thing. My brother, trouble everywhere. Many people now, many youth of Ndi Igbo know they believe say Jesus Christ there again. They see church as nothing now. Now the same Nnamdi Kanu will destroy this Christianity religion. Now the same Nnamdi Kanu now they introduce people to Judaism. Now make one of the think now. Now Judaism, now Nnamdi Kanu carry come or he can't look for Biafra. Make it stay focused. Okay, now Ndi Igbo make una ask yourself one question. Since we una they watch match, either Chelsea match or Liverpool or any match when they watch, even a Yimba. No coach, they play ball first half and second half, he go use one style. You know they work, one method. They do changing. This one work, it no work, okay, change to this one. Now so they take the play match, they go win match. Now for only this movement, now I see say Nnamdi Kanu carry only one pattern, they waka they go. Whether they walk or you know they walk, he say he must to walk. And so they take they do something. And many people they brainwashed. You know, our brain too they shallow. Now so wait. My brother, cool down. For the first thing that you shot past, no business you love Biafra pass. People they will love Biafra, will be that hardcore, but they walk systematically. You dey hear me so? They follow things the way it's supposed to be. They follow government the way it's supposed to be. Now, make una dey listen. Many people they shout gaga. Now the same shout, they say no election for Anambra State. No election. Now because of that no election, the threat where Nnamdi Kanu they give about that election, now Anambra State government governor go to meet Buhari, tell and say make sure say election deal, because if they give them election, if he enter, he go use Abga party, they endorse Muhammad Buhari, they gain vote from Ndi Igbo giver. You see him? Election, no election, no election. They do their things the way they want to do them. Today, governor dey for Anambra State. Nobody they talk that one again. Nnamdi Kanu no talk about them again. That one don't pass. That chapter don't close. Oh, people wey die don't die. People wey injure don't injure. Those wey dey hospital, dey hospital. My brother, K24, make we dey think now. Okay, that one don't pass. If that thing no feel whole for Biafra land, if no election no fit work for Biafra land, how your mindset go not tell you say no election go work for the whole Nigeria? Nnamdi Kanu say no election in the Igbo land. Nnamdi Kanu forget say now the same people wey you say make they no vote, now they go collect money, vote at all. And if those people vote at all, my brothers and sisters, government go take from that side, take over their votes, take rig election. Now I wake up this early morning, they make this message. My brothers and sisters, I wake up this early morning, my heart they pain. I foresee Muhammad Buhari they come back. I see Muhammad Buhari they come back. Muhammad Buhari go return back for second tenure. I dey see him. The thing they show. Because of the stupidness of some group of people, Muhammad Buhari go come back. Okay, now my brothers and sisters, Ndi Igbo make una dey ask yourself question. Nnamdi Kanu was threatened to be killed. God come make him escape. Now he don't appear after 1 year plus. He can't appear now. Now when he don't appear, he said that man no be Muhammad Buhari again. He said that man had Jubri. Say Muhammad Buhari don't die. So that man a foreigner abi? Okay, good. Why Nnamdi Kanu go say no election? So that the same man go continue another 4 years. Why Nnamdi Kanu no go tell the people say, make the corporate vote this man out so that this man no go get power. This Jubri go come out. Jubri no go get power again. My brother, make una dey reason the truth. Make una dey reason the truth. I be no one talk all these things. But my brother, people don't too die now. And more people go still die. If we keep silent, now it go help us. Eye service. It no go help us, so it no go help us. Now I tell they beg all Nigerians. Say, I beg. Anywhere where you did they hear this message, educate who they close to you. The hour don't reach. We say this government bad. Make we vote and come out. Why you go say no voting? Why? Why you go say no voting? No voting a solution. You they go Israel, you they go US, you they go anywhere. None of these people get power to come give you freedom. Oh. Even Israel not ready to come give you freedom. Nothing. They know they come. You know why? You know they work like that. I don't understand why person go one fight for freedom. He no go be part of the government. For a man to fight for freedom, first of all, you go be part of the system. Now, when you don't enter into the system, you go understand the system code. Before now, inside government, you go take start to the fight. I dey beg all Nigerians, I dey beg all Ndi Igbo. I use God beg una. Make una no verse for which I dey talk, but make I dey tell una the truth. Waiting una dey do so. This no election. I dey see me go bring Muhammad Buhari back. He go bring Muhammad Buhari back. And now listen to me. Now everybody they shout. Muhammad Buhari don't die. Muhammad Buhari na Jubri. The man keep quiet. He dey play cool now. Inside the mind, waiting the man they talk, say, hey, they could not they talk. Make a get with they find first. The man get replying. On our way they shout, Muhammad Buhari don't die. Muhammad Buhari na Jubri. Una no green vote and come out. Waiting be on applying. Now make the man come back, continue, make una day outside. I no understand. I be una won't fight war. If una won't fight war, make una think and when well. Waiting be the strength where you want to fight government. Government get allies. How many allies you get? My brother, make una dey careful. If Ndi Igbo fight war again, na disaster. Those wey don't fair fight, I bet make una teach those wey never fight. Make una talk out, tell una story, so that those who never fight before go learn. War no be better thing. We no need war for Nigeria. I dey beg Ndibo. This message now, I dedicate unto Ndibo. I beg make una rise up. Make una stand up. Make we vote at this man come out. No, na call am Jubri. Okay, make we vote Jubri comment. Na say no. Why? Na call and say Muhammad Buhari don't die. Okay, make we vote this man come out so that we go fit follow this man up. Know who he be. Una say no. Now when he dey power, now na fit near am. My brother, you know fit near who dey power. No matter the money where you get, no matter how much you shout rich, you know fit near who dey power. Na the truth be that. Now beg all Nigerians, make una use in our mind, make we vote at Muhammad Buhari. The reason why I dey talk all these things, many people, you know, say we dey very easy to be brainwashed. Some of them go to say, hey, PDP don't give this man money. PDP no give me any money, oh. My brother, they hungry. I dey hungry. PDP no give me money. But now God wake me up, make I dey talk this truth. And I dey talk the truth the way it be. The only party wey go fit enforce Muhammad Buhari comot now na PDP. I thank God, even Asari Dokubo even talk this thing while they talk. Thank God Asari Dokubo support say make they vote Muhammad Buhari comot. Asari Dokubo talk am now. So make una dey check am well. People don't they wake up, come they discover say no voting no be solution. For those of una wey they support say no voting, no voting. No solution inside that thing. Make una wake up. Make una wake up. Some of una way they look, where they do something, make una try know what they look for and what they look for now. I beg una. Make we do this Nigeria, make peace day. Too many people don't die. Make we stop this killing. The time don't reach. Make the masses rise up. Make we unite ourselves, masses. All Nigerians come together. Make we make use of our PVC. Vote at Muhammad Buhari. Vote PDP for now. I still they repeat this word for now. Why are they repeat this word for now? They say, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we carry plan, they come. Our fans all over the world, our members for Nigeria, all over Nigeria, we are more than 4 million. People are entering every day. We carry weight, they come. Time they reach, when we say we go stand as the masses' voice. We go tell government what we want and how we want them. Now so it will be. Government go respect us, now must. So, but if government go respect us, we need to unite. We need to come together. Make we do things together in love. It will help us well. Make we leave all these segregations among ourselves. The Igbo leaders need to unite themselves. Ralph Wazirike unite with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu unite with Ohaneze. Ohaneze unite with the people who are the lead. So that there can be peace in that Igbo land. This scatter where the Igbo land no go let wetin they look for come through. That is the truth. The people make una unite with una politicians so that there will be one voice in the east. Make una unite. All this gaga, it no dey help. It no dey help. I beg una. My name still remains Sir Wilson Henry Chukwudi. I love my people. I love Nigeria. Make we stand strong. Gidigba, we go make Nigeria great again. Make we stay strong. Do the right thing. Make una not forget this word why they talk all the time. It take bad people to produce bad government. If Muhammad Buhari come back again, those of una way say no election, and those of una way sell una vote, those of una way the ballot boss, no na bring them back home. And anybody will die for Muhammad Buhari second tenure, his blood go down her head. In Jesus' name. Now me I pray for that one. The blood go down her head. If anybody die for second tenure of Muhammad Buhari, because as they said, he come back. If he come back, anybody will die, the blood go down her head. Una no go escape am. Una no go escape am. The blood will be upon your head. May God bless us. Make una join us for our later today broadcast. This message, I just do am sharp, say for Ndibo, make we wake up from our sleep. And for those of una where they sell on a voter's card, stop am. I beg una. Make we unite. Now one love will take us there. God bless everybody. Make we see on top. Nigeria go good again. I believe am. Make you believe. Make we all confess something good. Nigeria go good again. God bless you all. Thank you.